Namaskar my dears, very good morning. Welcome to our English class. Today we are going to deal with our textbook part, lesson number 5, Merry Legs. Textbook part, lesson number 5, Merry Legs. So I have already sent you some of the YouTube videos to watch about this Black Beauty, a story of a horse, Black Beauty. I think you might have watched the videos. So today we are going to deal with that lesson. I am going to explain to you. So shall we start? Are you ready? Yeah. So all of you open your textbook, page number 39, Merry Legs. So this is the story adapted by Black Beauty. Black Beauty by Annie Sewells. Okay. So this story, who is writing this story, you know? Black Beauty. Black Beauty means a horse. So horse name is called Black Beauty. So this horse lived with Bitwick Park. Bitwick Park, owned by the kind of Mr. Gordon, Black Beauty, after by George. So this horse was owned by Mr. Gordon and it is living with Bitwick Park. Whom this horse is living, children? Bitwick Park. And actually this horse is owned by Mr. Gordon. Now who is taking up these two Black Beauty means that there are John and James. John and James. Two persons are taking care of this Black Beauty. John and James. James is a stable boy and Black Beauty was looked after by John, and James is a stable boy. Stable means where horses are kept are called as stable. Yes or no? So James looks after the stable and John looks after the Black Beauty. So these two persons are taking care of this Black Beauty. So in the stable, in the horse where other stables where the stable will be there, other two horses are living. So the two horses names are called as Merry Legs and Ginger. Other two horses are living. What are their names? Merry Legs and Ginger. They are two small horses. Merry Legs and Ginger. So how they will be, I will explain. Merry Legs is very fat grey pony. So Merry Legs is very fat and grey color horse. Pony means small horse baby is called as pony, with a thick mane and a tail, very pretty head. So it is having thick mane. See, this is thick tail mane. This is called as mane and thick tail and looks very pretty. Merry Legs looks very pretty, short one and fat, pretty and fat. And Ginger. Now I am going to explain about the Ginger. So this Merry Legs, Mr. Gordon is having two daughters. Mr. Gordon, this dog Black Beauty is owned by Mr. Gordon. This man is having two daughters. And these two daughters like this Merry Legs very much. These two daughters like this Merry Legs very much. So what are the names of the two daughters? Jessie and Flora. What are the names of two daughters? Jessie and Flora. Jessie and Flora. These are the two daughters of Mr. Gordon. So they like Merry Legs very much because Merry Legs is very fat and very nice. So next another horse name is Ginger. Ginger is very tall and chestnut mare. She was ill-tempered and had a habit of biting and snapping. So this Ginger is very tall and ill-tempered. Ill-tempered means whenever he saw any other people or any other horses, he used to bite and snap because previous owner of this person is not treated her properly. not taken care of this ginger properly. Previous owner who is there with this ginger, he did not take care of him properly. So that's why it is very ill-tempered, bad-tempered, not looking, not listening properly, biting. All these things is done by the ginger. Now you understood, children? So Black Beauty is a horse. It is now taken care of Bidwick Park, actually owned by Mr. Gordon. Mr. Gordon has two daughters, Jessie and Flora. And James and John used to take care of this Black Beauty. And in the stable, John used to take care of Black Beauty. James used to take care of the stable. Stable means one room where horses were kept. That is called a stable. So in the stable, this Jessie and Flora likes Merrylegs very much. And Ginger is not liked by anybody as he is biting and snapping. So shall we start, children? The priest, Mr. Broomfield, had a large family of boys and girls. Sometimes they used to come and play with Miss Jessie and Flora. One of the girls was very old as Miss Jessie. Two of the boys were older as there were several little ones. When they came, there was plenty of work for Merrylegs. Nothing pleased the children so much as getting on him turns and riding him all around the arcade. They would do this by hours together. So there is one priest nearby this Mr. Gordon's house. There is one priest. His name is Bloomfield. His name is Bloomfield. So he is having a large family with the boys and girls. He is having large family with the boys and girls. Many people used to be there. So these boys and girls used to come and play with these two girls, Jessie and Flora. So one girl is as same age as Jessie. So the boys are they a little bit older than these children. So when they came, Merrylegs is having a lot of work. Why? Because the children liked driving, rolling. The children like to get on him and they used to turn on him and take horse ridings. You know, sitting on the horse and moving around is called as horse riding. So the children like this very much. And one after another, boys and girls and Jessie and Flora, one after another, they used to turn around in the orchard. Orchard means an empty place where trees are grown is called as orchard. There these children and they used to go and play hours together, many hours. So now Merrylegs is having more work when these children will come to visit. So when we are also having any kind of things in our house, our friends will come to visit us. In the same way it is happening. So one afternoon when Merrylegs had sent for a long time with when James brought him inside, they were naughty creature mind. Have you how you have behaved yourself or you shall get into trouble. What have you been doing, Merrylegs? I asked. So what happened in the afternoon? Merrylegs has been brought inside the stable after a long time. And James is scolding the Merrylegs. You naughty creature, what have you done? Don't do this kind of things. If you are doing this kind of things, you will get into trouble. Who is scolding? James is scolding Merrylegs. Then Black Beauty asked, I means who here? Black Beauty. Black Beauty, the story is written by Black Beauty. Then Black Beauty asked, what happened? What have you done? Why James is scolding you? Asked the Black Beauty. Oh, said he, tossing his little head, I have only given those people a lesson. I did not know when they had enough. So I just pitched them off backwards. That was the only thing they could understand. Then Merrylegs said, nothing I did. I want to teach the children a lesson. I want the children to teach them a lesson. So I pitched them off backwards. Pitched them means throw them backwards. From the children are sitting on the horse, from them Merrylegs throwed them backwards. So that I throwed them backwards that they could understand that they should not hurt me, they are hurting me. So I understood that. So I just made them to throw back. So I did that thing, nothing else I did. What, said I? You threw the children off. I know that. I thought you know better than that. Did you throw Miss Jessie or Flora? Then Black Beauty asked, what? You threw the children. Why did you throw? And whom did you throw? Did you throw Jessie or Flora? Whom did you throw? Then Merrylegs said, No, no, I did not throw this Jessie or Flora. I know, of course, they don't do such things. They don't do such things for the best oats. So they never came into the stable, and they were very careful ladies. So they are our master little children. So I don't want to make our children to fall down. They will teach me, help me to ride very well. So they are very frightened to me, and I liked them very much. But what I did was, they are very, see here the Black Beauty is explaining about Miss Jessie and Flora, the children of their owner. How she is explaining? See, Mary Lex is explaining. So what is she saying? When I am as careful of our younger ladies, the master could be as per the little ones. Is he that I who teach them to ride? When they seem frightened or a little unsteady on my back, I go as smooth, as quiet as old pussy when she is after a bird. What here the Mary Lex is saying? When the ladies are sitting on me, so I will teach them how to ride me. So when Miss Flora and Jessie are sitting on me, I will teach them how to ride. And when they are riding, when they are frightened, sometimes when they are sitting on the horse, when they are frightened, what this Black Mary Lex will do, you know? She will go very smoothly. Black Beauty will go, it will go very smoothly. The Mary Lex is explaining. Our children, when they are frightened, I go very smoothly as a bird. How the bird will go slowly? As a pussy, as a old pussy. How the cat will grow slowly? In the same way, I will take the children very slowly when they are frightened. And again, when they are adjusted, I will take them as speed as a bird. Bird, how fastly it will fly? In the same way, when they are adjusted, when they are comfortable, I will take them as a bird. When they are alright, again I used to go faster. When they are alright, I will go as fast as a bird. So don't you trouble yourself preaching to me. I am the best friend and the best riding master those children have. It is not them, it is the boys. So they are my best friends. The two girls are best friends and our master's children. I don't want them to throw on my back. But who are hurting means the boys are hurting me. So I throw them back. So see how caring the Mary Lex is talking about their master's children. Boys, said Mary Lex, shaking his mane, are quite different. They need to be taught just what's what. The other children had ridden me about nearly 2 hours, and the boys thought it was turn, and also so it was, and I was quite willing. They rode me turns and galloped them about up and down the fields and all about the orchard for good hour. They had each cut a long hazel stick with a riding whip and hit me a little too hard. But I took it good part. Still I lost. I thought we had enough. So I stopped 2 or 3 times as a hint. So what these naughty boys did, you know? So they made the Mary Lex to travel long time in the orchard. So sometimes Mary Lex used to stop. Why will stop when we are traveling, when we are going by walk? Because our legs will pain, no? Will stop, no? In the same way, when Mary Lex stopped, these boys, they used to beat him with a big whip, big stick. Whip, you know? When animals are not moving, we will beat it. In the same way, the people made me to beat. The boys beat me 3 times. I gave them hint and I started. I am getting pain and I stopped. Even though the boys did not listen and started beating me. So that boys think a horse or a pony is like a steam engine. The boys are thinking the horse is like a steam engine. So it can go very fast. So that even I am also an animal, no? I too will get tired, no? So they started beating me with the stick. So that what I have done, I have raised my hind legs. See here, raised my hind legs and slowly made it to move. So that the boys fell on the grass. So it did not make the boys fall on the rocks. It made the boys fall on the grass, so that they will understand that the Mary Legs is feeling tired. So that I have done these things to make the boys understand that I am not feeling well. I did. I don't wish to be cruel. Mary Legs is saying, I don't want to be cruel, but I have roamed a long time, even though the boys were not understanding and they are beating me with a whip. So I don't want to teach them a lesson. So that I have done that. So by the by, the boys had told something to James. So the boys, when the pony made them to fall down, they will come and complain to James, no? Your horse is a dirty horse, it made us to fall. So in the same way, the boys came and told to the James, and James, I think he was very angry to see such big sticks. Now James was very angry. He said that they were not for young gentlemen. So James told me, James was scolding me. Then meanwhile this Ginger is there, no? This Ginger said, only you made the boys fallen down. If I means what I should do, you know. You just made the boys fall down, but I means I would give them a kick. I'll give them a kick. When they are hurting me, immediately I'll give the boys a kick, but you throw them instead. So Mary Legs said, yes, no doubt I will do in the same thing, but I am very quite, I am not a fool, because our master will be ashamed. James will be ashamed. Beside the two children are given me charge for riding, so that I should take care of them. So and our master and Bloomfield are very good friends. If anything happens to the dear children, something answer must be told, no? So I don't want the boys to hurt, but I want to teach them a lesson. So my old Mary Legs will take as much as care of them, I should assure you would not sell the pony for any money. He is so perfectly good tempered and trusty. So Mr. Gordon is telling to Bonyfield that my pony is very good, my Mary Legs is very good, it will take care of your little children, said Mr. Gordon to Bonyfield. So that was heard by the Mary Legs. So Mary Legs said, my master is having very trust on me, so that I don't want to make the children hurt. So that I made them to just to treat a small lesson, so that they will have little kind of treatment. I have here for 5 years. I am staying in this with this owner for 5 years. I don't want him to make any kind of cruel things. No, you never had a good place where they were kind of you, and so you don't. And I am sorry for you, but I can tell you, good places make good horses. I would vex our people for anything. I love them, said Mary Legs, and gave a low hoo through the nose, as he used it to do in the morning when he heard James' footstep at the door. So now James is scolded, no? For what sake he had scolded, everything he explained, and he is saying that, Mary Legs is saying, I want to stay in this good place. So in this good place only we can learn about many things. I love this place and I don't want to go from this place. Saying this and making a small sound called hoo. When he sees his master James, he makes a sound hoo. So he heard his master James is coming at the doorsteps of the stable to take him. So he made a sound hoo. So I have sent you many videos, 8 videos of this chapter. So if you are watching that, you will understand from starting to ending all the stories. YouTube videos I have sent you. Once you refer those videos also. See you children. Take care. Bye.